Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Both the markets, that is DFM and ADX, closed green. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index and we are seeing a nice bullish candle today right into our support zone, that is 4240 area. This have become a strong support for the market, and with today's candle close there are very good chances it will continue its upside momentum. Let's not forget that market have started to decline from 4400 points. And from here we saw two big red candles. We want to see recovery coming in very quickly, otherwise sellers will again try to push the market down. For now, need of the hour, as I just mentioned in my last video, is to market should close above 4300 points at earliest, so that we can confirm a recovery is done by at least 50% of this drop to the downside. And from here we are expecting again it would hit the resistance areas, that is 4360, and then it may retest 4400 points. Best scenario would be if it climbs up, spends some time here, it accumulates just near the resistance, and then from here if it makes a breakout, this would be sustainable because market must have adjusted the move that it made from here, and now from here we can see a fresh momentum. So DFM market index is still bullish. As I mentioned yesterday, we are seeing a bit of weakness here as it's spending time, but overall it's very bullish. I'm expecting a continuation from here and hopefully weekly closing will be above 4300 points. This is the daily chart of ADX market index. Today we are seeing a green candle after two red days and it has closed right at our resistance zone, that is between 9245 to 9250. Best part is after the breakdown it's just going sideways. We are not seeing any downside momentum. This is a good indication. Now from here we want to see market crossing the resistance zone, that is at 9300, and then as we know we want to see clearance of this zone, that is at 9235 area. Overall ADX market index is still in a downtrend. We can see right from the top it's just going down. As of now it's just accumulating right at the bottom. This is a very good place for ADX market index to break out and start a fresh trend to the upside. Weekly closing for ADX market index is very important. It has to be bullish so that coming week we can see a follow through. This is the daily chart of GFH, that is Gulf Financial House. Let's have a quick recap. We are seeing after a strong momentum to the upside, this stock was just going sideways for months. We know support at 9.40 and resistance at 9.60 area, and yesterday it broke out. This is a breakout candle. We saw good volumes in GFH, and the best part is today we are seeing a follow through. Closing is at 1.06. Something very important to notice here is on the way up it broke resistance of 0.985 and then 0.102 was also a resistance. So both these resistance zones are taken out in just two candles. Now those who have entered, watch out because it's right at the resistance zone, that is between 1.05 to 1.08. There are good chances it may hit the resistance area and come down for a correction, or correction can start from 1.06 itself. It can come down to retest 1.02, 1.00, or in worst scenario it can also come down to retest 0.985. That is a very strong support. Once this resistance is taken out, there are good chances we will see 1.16 to 1.18, that is next area of supply. So in case if you have bought GFH, plan your positions accordingly. Overall GFH is now starting a fresh trend, and from here we want to see a follow through. It should continue its upside momentum. Hit the like button if you have already bought GFH. So this was the quick update. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.